Most people open Claude Code, type a vague request, and get back something that almost works, then spend an hour trying to fix it. There is a better way. This is the repeatable workflow that turns Claude Code into a true productivity tool for real business tasks. Claude Code runs directly in your terminal. Open your terminal, navigate to the project folder you want to work in, and type Claude to launch the interactive session. Working from the right folder matters because Claude Code can read, write, and run files right there in context. Before you ask Claude Code to do anything, give it context. Describe what this project is, what files exist, and what outcome you need. Think of it like briefing a contractor on day one. The more specific your setup, the more accurate and useful every response that follows will be. Now make your first request, but keep it scoped to one task. Instead of build me a dashboard, say write a Python script that reads this CSV and outputs a regional sales summary. Tight, specific prompts produce working code far faster than broad ones, and they are easier to verify. When Claude Code returns a script, read it before you run it. Check that file paths match your actual folder structure, that the logic makes sense, and that nothing destructive happens by accident. This review step takes 30 seconds and saves you from overwriting the wrong file or running broken logic. Once you are satisfied with the code, ask Claude Code to run it or execute it yourself directly in the terminal. Watch the output carefully. A clean run with the expected results means you are ready to use or share the output. An error message is just the next prompt. Do not close the session. If something breaks, paste the exact error message back into Claude Code and ask it to fix it. Claude Code understands stack traces and error output and will revise the script in context. This back-and-forth loop is normal and fast. Most fixes happen in 1 or 2 rounds. Once the script works, ask Claude to explain what it does in plain English. This is especially useful if someone else needs to maintain it, or if you want to adapt it later. Understanding the logic also helps you catch any subtle assumptions Claude made that might not fit your data in the future. Claude Code does not remember your previous sessions by default. So before you close, save a short context file in your project folder, a simple text or markdown file with the project goal, file names, and what each script does. Next session, share that file up front and you pick up right where you left off. Set context, make scoped requests, review before running, iterate on errors, and save your notes for next time. That is the workflow that turns Claude Code from a guessing game into a genuine time saver. Try it on a real task this week, a data cleanup script, a file formatter, or an automated report, and see how fast it moves.